GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel here. Subscribe, like, and press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links. So it says join Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals. And then check out the brokers and the prop firm right here. Go and join these brokers using my link and start your trading journey. And especially if you want to start with my signals, then join these brokers, subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top one approach with it. Weekly time frame, what do we have in weekly? Weekly, I think I told you that on Sunday's video, if you go and watch my last Sunday video, I told you that we'll carry on going down because weekly we have two red candles. So coming back to Delhi, in Delhi we have crossed below the EMA. So officially we have started the downtrend, but the pullback will happen. Okay. So yeah, let me use my fib levels. You can take a counter trade for up to maybe 61% pretty easily. Okay. So in daily chart, we will go back up to 61% before continuing the collapse. Collapse in my dictionary means trend reversal, okay, or the downtrend. So yeah, before we collapse, we will continue the pullback. So this is official downtrend for the pound has started, but before that we'll go up to 61% and then we will go down. Okay, this is something which nobody will tell you for free because this is a trap here. And if I don't tell you, for example, let's remove this. If I don't tell you, now you will say trend is down, let's look for shorts only. If you enter short right now, you will probably lose the money because the market will go up until here. Do you understand that? So if you enter short right now in daily chart, you will lose because the market will go further up 200 pips. And nobody tells you that for free. This is the trap which people mostly get into when the trend reversal happens, okay? So in Delhi, I am looking for a pullback right now. And let's go back to 4 hour for an entry. If we have an entry in this 4 hour, in 4 hour looks like we are in the uptrend. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not looking for longs until this high is broken. Okay, so let the blue candles break this high. So if further blue candles break this high, then pull back, then we continue the short term uptrend for up to 200 pips. Okay, or else the possibility could be that we go until the EMA. Rejection will come from the EMA and then we'll go further down. Okay, so as per right now, this was your downtrend, this was your new low. But you see these red candles, they have not broken below the previous low. This red candle. So none of these candles have broken below this previous low. Do you understand what it means? It means we are continuing the uptrend. At least we might go up until the EMA. Okay, so in GBP, I am not looking for shorts as of now. Okay, because on Friday, especially the Friday market might be consolidating, so we might not have any more breakout or much movement, volatility. Okay, so again, coming back to Delhi for that, in Delhi you could see that we have a rejection from the EMI. I'll enter, you know what, I'll enter buy in Delhi once the candle closes above the EMI. Okay, in Delhi short will go up to 3600 in pullback. Okay, trend is still down, we have to go for a pullback. Pullback will happen until 3600. I'm telling you today, don't come back later. Okay, this is your free money opportunity. So if you wait for the candle to close above the EMA, that might happen on Monday. Okay, I don't know, but as soon the blue candle closes above the EMA, enter long in daily chart and take a profit at 3600 and thank me later. Okay, so that's the trade for you. Free money on the table. Free money. It's free money. Okay. And if you like what you see, nobody tells you this because this costs thousands of dollars. You have to buy their course and whatever. Okay, I'm not selling any course for now. So go and join these brokers using my link. Join Telegram, it's free. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.